So, good evening, everyone. Welcome to the webinar on Choose to Challenge Cancer on the occasion of International Women's Day, organized by Sanjeevani Life Beyond Cancer, sponsored by LIC of India and co-sponsored by Jai Kisan and Samta Logistics. Today, we have with us some eminent women against cancer as the esteemed speakers for the event. It is really an honor to have you all with us today. We are looking forward to a great learning session ahead. Next speaker among with us today is Dr. Vani Parmar ma'am. Dr. Vani Parmar ma'am is a professor of surgical oncology at Tata Memorial.
I am very happy to be here on the occasion of International Women's Day. Today we have all come together to celebrate in the International Women's Day. But I believe that one day is really not enough to celebrate women. And for a start, let us begin by understanding what best defines a woman. As I believe and as I understand, she is an epitome of beauty, charm, and elegance. She is diligent, capable, decisive, creative, and a resourceful multitasker, all at the same time. She's also an affectionate, considerate, empathetic, devoted and doting daughter, mother, sister, wife, and a friend, all at the same time. And simultaneously, she can also be an ambitious, captivating, confident, dynamic, effervescent, inspiring, and a self-assured personality at work. There are really not enough words to describe a woman and all that she is capable of. No one can deny the strength and courage of a woman, even though she is addressed as the weaker sex. We all agree she is the backbone of the family, she is the pillar of strength, she is the creator of life, one who holds everyone in the family together as a unit and cares for all, putting herself at the end of the line. This is where we need to make a change. It is time for us now to value the women who are in our life, to ensure their well-being, prioritize her above all, and take care of her in all aspects to ensure a progressive, strong, and better world. It's also time for women to take notice of their own health, to ensure that they look after themselves, their own health, to be able to take care of the rest of the world. One's own health is a priority. Early detection of cancer is very important to be able to ensure cure. Today, I salute all women in the world on the occasion of International Women's Day. I am really proud to be a woman. Thank you.